This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate hypothesis testing critical values for a chi-square test statistic. The blue cells, you have to enter this information, the level of significance, alpha, in this case 5%, the sample size, n, in this case 9. The spreadsheet calculates degrees of freedom, which is n minus 1. And the rejection region down here for a left-tailed, there's a formula, a right-tailed, and the two tails, left and right. Rejection region intervals are all calculated down here. So again, there's the formula using the chi-square function. Again, and it's all neatly packaged here to quickly get those results.